Throughout the 5,000 years of recorded Chinese history, tyranny always ends with more than just riots. Nature makes the fall complete through domino effects that lead to total collapse. Extreme weather has become frequent and stronger in China. Snowstorms in northern China were revealed in previous videos, and footage of both high temperatures and heavy rains is also popular online. On May 4th and 5th, China's southernmost province, Hainan, issued a high temperature warning for multiple cities, with temperatures reaching 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. On May 3rd, Henan, a landlocked province in central China, also issued a high temperature warning, and multiple cities experienced temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Thunderstorms in Wuhan City, Hubei Province. Lightning flashes in Changsha City, Hunan Province. Huge hail in Enshi City, Hubei Province. On May 4th, huge hail was recorded in Tongren City in Guizhou Province and Taoyuan City in Hunan Province.
你们光看呀，这个冰雹那农家还没等用完，你看房子产的稀巴烂。你看，那么大的冰雹啊，你给它废了，小啊，看着它个雪大气好高。5月4号下午，贵州省石阡县龙塘镇地区遭遇冰雹袭击，这个冰雹特别大，今天。
According to a Hubei weather official on Weibo, in Hubei province, a total of 140,000 lightning strikes were recorded within 12 hours as electromagnetic signals started at 11 p.m. on May 4th. As the temperature was high at 35 degrees Celsius, 95 degrees Fahrenheit, and thunderbolts raged in Wuhan's sky.